We continue our journey for question 4. Separate from the previous question, not related. Part D and Part E are different, okay, from the others. So remember, when you can't do Part A to C, keep on doing it. Maybe Part C and E, you know how to do it, okay? I'm sure you can, okay? Stay with a reason, the effects on temperature on Kc. If delta H is larger than 0, first of all, you need to remember delta H larger than 0, it means that it is endothermic, right? It absorbs energy from the surrounding. So absorb energy, okay, absorb E, okay. So when the temperature is higher of the surrounding, it should favor the absorption of energy, right? Or you can say it favor the forward reaction. So the Kc will increase, okay, more top products, okay, so. Next one, stay with a reason. This one with a reason. Okay, the effects of adding aqueous silver nitrate on the position of the equilibrium. So adding silver nitrate will dissociate. So the Aq plus increases. Right, dissociate. So more on the left hand side will push the equilibrium to the right, right? Yeah, push it to the right. Okay, more reactants to the right. Okay, so we say the Kc increases again. Fairly important concept in equilibrium constant, and I'm sure you know how to do it, right? Okay, see you for question 5. Bye.